Hey everyone, welcome back to MegaVerse Builds. Today we're back at Spotify Camp Nou with another in-depth construction update, taking you through the latest progress as this iconic stadium continues its transformation, as the project moves closer to its next major milestones. Make sure to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds so you don't miss any of our daily Camp Nou updates. Let's get started. We start today's walkthrough along the lateral side of the stadium, which continues to stand out as the most developed section of the site. The roof structure is becoming easier to read, as several compression ring pillars are now fully installed, with more elements staged nearby awaiting placement. These vertical supports will play a critical role in carrying the future roof system, and are already reshaping the overall profile of the stadium. Across the exterior, the ceramic louver installation keeps advancing at a strong pace, and with each new section added, the facade is gaining a more complete and uniform appearance. Down at ground level, work on the parking ramp remains active, where crews are focused on concrete finishing and surface preparation to bring this area closer to operational readiness. Shifting over to the Tribuna side, activity here remains intense and well-coordinated. Prefabricated seating components and stair modules continue arriving in sequence and are carefully positioned to maintain clear movement routes inside the structure. Installation is now pushing higher toward the upper seating zones, and in certain areas, only limited sections remain before reaching the third cantilever. Multiple working platforms and scaffolding setups are visible throughout. If you're enjoying these detailed Camp Nou construction updates so far, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to MegaVerse Builds. Your support helps us continue delivering consistent and reliable coverage from the site. As we move into Goal South, progress here appears organized and methodical. Structural elements required for the facade system are now in place across several sections, with mounting points secured to the main columns in preparation for upcoming louver installations. Elevated platforms remain busy, with teams carrying out welding tasks, alignment verification, and fine measurement work. Our final stop takes us to Goal North, where a notable change has recently emerged. For the first time, initial facade-related connections are now visible in this area. Although still limited, this confirms that exterior works are beginning to extend evenly around the stadium. Work platforms remain active as remaining columns undergo reinforcement and final concrete works. And that wraps up today's update from Spotify Camp Nou. Step by step, every section of the stadium is moving closer to completion, and the scale of this transformation becomes clearer with each visit. If you enjoyed this update, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to MegaVerse Builds, and check out the channel for full, long-form breakdowns and daily construction coverage. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next build.